This is the second helping of roses that I'm going to pick and put in a vase inside my living room. They have grown so beautiful when I cut off all those green sickly leaves. Look at them, beautiful and fresh now. Absolutely beautiful. Goodness me, they're so pretty. Not really seen this color rose bush before. Look, we've got some fresh one coming up here as well. I have been so blessed with my rose bush, my new rose bush. Look at this one here. Oh my goodness, so nice, lovely. And I took off the zip ties that I had tied to the bamboo sticks and let everything loose in this rose bush. And then I cut them all down, all the leaves I cut down, and look at them now. Look at these. Ain't they beautiful? Sorry about the sun. Sorry about the sunshine. Look at that. Look at all these. Ain't they beautiful? Look at the color of them. Look at them. These are all red. They're lovely, healthy. I can't believe it. I may not get any more flowers this year, but at least it looks really healthy. It's really, really windy today in London. Extremely windy. It's actually sort of broken down my tomato plant that my friend gave me last week. She bought it for me and she planted it. It's doing really well. It was only a baby one, and that's doing really well. I had to take it down off the wall and leave it here to avoid the wind. It's really windy today. I've got to keep an eye on my plants, and that is doing really well. When she bought it for me last week, it was tiny, really, really tiny. So that is my tomato plant. I bought these today. Let's show you. I bought this today when I went to B&Q. I had a couple of things to get for the renovation of my bedroom, so I bought this lavender. These lavenders, I really wanted them. I really did want them. So I got these from B&Q. Smells so good. So can't wait to plant them. And I've managed to get 2 of these terracotta plastic pots that I'm going to plant them up in. I'm looking forward to that. What I most probably do is plant my mint plant, because you know it spreads really wild. So I may plant it in one of those new big ones. I'm not sure. And last week I cut down this hydrangea. I got 3 flowers from it. They were just leaning over and looking really poorly. So I cut them away and I put them in a vase in the living room, and they looked so pretty. And look, I've got all these fresh ones coming up now. So I'm glad I did cut it all down. I was a bit scared to cut it down because I'm thinking, oh, if I cut it, it may not grow back. But I'm going to give it another little trim, like these dried out ones. I think they need to go because I don't want them stunting the growth of the little fresh ones. And my sunflower is gone. This I got from IKEA last week, the chrysanthemum. It's 2 of them. I planted them and they weren't this big. They've grown so much. Look, they look amazing, amazing. And then I have got, sorry about the shadow, look at my verbena. Look at it. I've got to get some bamboo sticks and prop it up, so I don't want them breaking off. But look at it, oh my goodness, so sweet. And my purples with the bees, they've been having a field day. A field day. Sorry, let me get out of the shadow. Yeah, they've been having a field day with this purple set of flowers. And this has really grown. Oh my god, it was tiny when I got it about 6 weeks ago, I think. About 6 weeks, something like that. And these are my forget-me-nots. I can't wait for them to start colouring. I don't know what colour I'm gonna get. This one, this is a lemony, citrus lemon, and this one as well. Yeah, I have to label them up because I keep forgetting the names of them. That's me and the love. And my little homemade water feature is doing well. And I don't know what plant this is, what it's going to flower, but I'm waiting to see. So it's all try and error at the moment. This is a dwarf sunflower. So I'll wait and see what that produces as well. But it's growing rapidly. Really sweet. Loving everything so far. These, I'm not quite sure what these are. But I'm just going to leave them, let them grow and see if they'll flower. I got those from the supermarket. You know, they sell the kits in supermarkets of flowers. I did have the packaging, but I don't know what I've done with them. I'll just wait and see what they flower. This one's flowering. Ah, yes, that's interesting. And haven't seen any flowering with these, but this is a mixture of all different type, a medley of flowers. Ooh, that's my rosemary. That's my thyme. I did pick some. I gave my friend a cut-in yesterday, so she's gonna plant that. And these are my little peppers. Look at my peppers. Oh my goodness, so cute. My chives I've been cutting down and cooking, putting it in my mashed potato and stuff. And there's some basil. Lovely. These, don't know what these are. I've forgotten now. That's why I have to label up everything. And then this had died so badly, and look at it now. Look at it now. So that's me. Keeps me busy, and I really enjoy it because, you know, I can come out here and it's therapy for me. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.